And so the goal of this workshop is to really highlight this microscopic world, how it may help organisms cope with climate change, but also how we can harness cell biology to help humanity be more resilient in the face of climate change.
I think it's important to bring people together for a real exchange over a period of at least 2 or 3 days to allow ideas to ferment and for people to really draw on some creative solutions.